Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis in Snapseed. If you don't know how to add emojis in Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to add emojis to. Now once you select the photo that you want to add emojis to, in this section, click on Tools at the bottom menu, and from here, click on Text, and if you double click the text, you can change the text. So simply delete all the text and click on the emoji icon in the keyboard. Once we click OK, it says some styles have been disabled because the current text contains characters that cannot be displayed in the styles. So in this way we cannot add emoji. But there's another way. For that, you'll have to download the emojis in their PNG formats. So let me go back and try again. Now, to add emojis in a different way, simply click on Tools and click on Double Exposure and click here to add your emoji. As you can see, I've already downloaded PNG formats of the emojis that I want to add to the photo. So I'll simply click one of them. And just like that, I have added an emoji. And similarly, if I want to add more, first of all, I have to save changes by clicking here. And now again, go to Tools, Double Exposure, and click here and choose the emoji that you want to add. For example, this one. And resize it according to your need. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can add emoji in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.